Hello and welcome back, or this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Last week's episode, we dipped our toe into TinyCat, which essentially is the program that we are using to build our catalog for our personal library. But in today's episode, I am now going to introduce you to our second resource, which is called LibraryThing. LibraryThing essentially is the behind the scenes of your catalog. When you add books to LibraryThing, it automatically applies it to your TinyCat catalog. But LibraryThing is so much more than just adding books. LibraryThing offers a database of metadata for thousands of books. What this means is that aside from just adding the title, author, and the cover of your book to your digital collection, you can also equip identifiers such as ISBN number, subject headings, tags, and more. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started.
Picking up where we left off, we need to navigate to TinyCat's partner software, LibraryThing. Here, we are able to locate any book and retrieve critical archival information. Luckily, all TinyCat account holders are automatically added to LibraryThing's database. Today, we are going to use the book To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee as an example. To begin, click the Add Books tab, then input the title. By selecting the desired edition, the book will automatically be added to your digital collection. Now let's make a couple edits. First, I will change the cover to match my personal copy. Click Change Cover, select a desired cover, then Confirm. Next, let's pretend that my copy was published in 2006 and not 2002. To edit a book's metadata, select Edit Your Book. Then change any desired information that pertains to your specific copy. Once completed, navigate back to your TinyCat catalog and locate your book using the rotating display or search box.
As always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.